The approved polyurethane pellets leave the laboratory and enter the heart of the material forming process. Beneath the visible surface of every elite match ball lies a hidden structural layer responsible for maintaining shape, stability, and performance under thousands of powerful impacts. The newly formed polyurethane sheets advance into a highly controlled laminating division, where the true performance structure of the match ball begins to emerge. Polyurethanes. The reinforcement fabric now enters one of the most critical stages in the manufacturing process: permanent integration. The reinforced composite material enters one of the most science-engineered stages of the entire manufacturing process, the creation of the microscope. The final shot reveals a wall of monitoring screens displaying test results. One by one, approval. The material has proven its strength. Now it must prove its ability to perform anywhere on Earth. Every angle matters. Every curve matters. Every fraction of a millimeter contributes to how the ball behaves in flight. Massive rolls of engineered composite material begin feeding into a fully automated cutting system. The material unrolls smoothly, guided by laser alignment systems and pinions. The freshly cut panels advance to a finishing division, where perfection is measured at the edge level. Although the panels have been cut, the edges have been perfected. Now every component must prove that its internal structure is absolutely consistent before it can move forward. The process now shifts from structural engineering to visual identity. The approved panels enter a dedicated graphics division. The moment the match ball becomes instantly recognizable begins here. The sequence opens as prepared panels enter a state-of-the-art printing line. Completed panel stacks leave the preparation division and begin their journey toward final ball construction. The sequence takes place. The manufacturing process now transitions to ball assembly. Automated alignment fixtures prepare to position the printed panels around the approved bladder. The balls now enter one of the most demanding stages of the testing process: repeated impact simulation using robotic kicking systems. The drag coefficient is slightly higher than expected at this spin rate. Check the turbulence around the seams.
Final reports look good.
Yes, all parameters passed. We can release the batch.
Following logo application, the balls enter a protective coating line designed to enhance durability and preserve appearance throughout transportation and use.